With the beginning of 2018, Xiaomi has brought a good news for its MiA1 users. They have started rolling out the Android 8.0 Oreo stable update for MiA1 from 31st of December 2017 as a New Year gift. According to India Today, Xiaomi MiA1 becomes first phone under Rs 15,000 to get Android 8.0 Oreo in India. This Oreo update includes several new features. In this video, we will see the new features that this Oreo update brings in the MiA1. Hey guys, you're watching Technicarena. Without any further ado, let's get started. It's needless to say that this update brings the new Android Oreo Easter egg, which can be found by tapping the Android version several times in the About Phone section. A light-themed notification shade and quick toggle panel also has been added in this update. We can see a little bit of improvement in the app drawer, which now can be accessed by swiping off anywhere in the home screen. This Oreo update introduces the notification dots, so if an app has an update, users will be able to just long press on it and a small menu will pop up, which will show the latest notification shortcuts along with the app info on top. Users can just go to settings and enable it from apps and notifications, allow notification dots, and then enable it for the app. The update also brings notification channels, which will allow apps to create different categories for notifications. Once again, apps will need to enable this, and if this is turned on, a user can just long tap on the actual notification, which will open up the special menu. In this update, we can find a new type of settings menu, which is updated with fewer categories. The inclusion of a nightlight mode comes in handy for the readers who read a lot at night. The intensity of the nightlight can be adjusted according to the need. This update brings the adaptive icons, by which the users can customize the shape of the icons. The biggest addition that comes with this update is the fast charging capability. Now you can charge the device fully within an hour with a capable fast charger. Android Oreo on MiA1 also adds a whole new battery menu with frequently used battery related options like battery saver and adaptive brightness now appearing right on top. Last but not the least, this Oreo update features the picture-in-picture mode, which will display the content over a floating window while letting a user perform other tasks. Though it's not fully stable, currently only the VLC and YouTube with YouTube Red subscription have this feature live. Though this Oreo update lacks the improvement in camera and also the stability in PIP mode, we can at least say that Xiaomi has kept their promise by rolling out this update for their first long-forgotten Android One device. Don't be worried if the update hasn't reached you yet, as the update is gradually rolling out batch by batch. So that's for today guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have liked the video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to follow me on other social networks. I will be back with another interesting video. Signing off, see you in my next video.